Well, hey guys, if you're looking for an easy way to get an outdoor fan or a fan in your shop or gazebo, back porch, whatever, this is a great option for that. You can see how tall it is and how long the blades are. It's definitely going to cool off a large area. I just set it up right here in this little play area. Sometimes we hang out in here. You can set this up there. It's really cool. It's pretty easy to put together. You see a little couple parts and pieces up there, just a few screws, and you got it all set. It only takes probably 25 minutes or so to set it all up, get it all prepped and ready. It is mounted up here with a little bracket. You can come with a bracket, or if you have something else, you can do that. You also want to make sure that the cord is away. It has another little hook that you can screw in there and make sure the cord's away. But again, it's really easy because it actually just plugs right into an outlet. So that way you don't have to wire anything in or any of that kind of stuff. It's already there, prepped and ready. I think it looks good overall as a fan. It's a great option. Again, whether you could put this inside if you want to in your living room, or if you want to have it outside like we're going to have it right here, you know, under the back porch or whatever that might be. There's so many different options for this. This is a cool one because everything runs off of this little remote. It also has an app as well, so you can use the app. You can control it with your app if you'd rather do that. But over here on your remote, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 for the spin, or for like the settings for, again, the fan. You even have the lights. You have an off and on setting. You can go brighter or dimmer. Actually on right now. I can turn it off. You see right there, it turns off. Super easy to use. You actually have, you know, again, dim it if you want to do that. You can do the half as well. And if you want to have like a setting, like if you want to run for an hour or 2 hours, maybe, you know, you have something out there you want to cool, or you want to just run it for a little while for looks, whatever it is, you got some settings you can do that. But you can turn it on right here. Easy on. Turn the light on. Boom, right there. So you can turn the light on, and then I'm going to show you guys the fan as well, so you can do different settings, and I want to show you guys what that looks like here in just a second.
All right, guys, so here is the remote. You can see I pointed out. You have different features and functions on this, a lot of different options, so whichever one you might want to do. So I just want to show you guys this fan motion here. You can see this. This is just the one setting. It starts pretty quick, and it will get going, and you can hit, you know, all around, whichever one you want to do. Go ahead and hit number 4. So you can kind of see this different speed difference here. So it's pretty nice. And like I mentioned, you can see you need to make sure that the cord is away, but it is nice that you don't have to, you know, plug this up with, you know, other wires and do any type of, you know, wiring or anything like that. You just literally plug this up into the wall, which is really nice. And then you can see it going here. Go ahead and get it going fast. Number 6. It is kind of hard to see with the camera, but it is also nice right there. You can turn lights off. You can adjust the brightness and all different type of functions with this. It's really easy to use. Also, it has a reverse. So say you want it to go one way or another, you can stop it from going. Again, if you want it to go, and instead of like cooling off an area, maybe it's warm or maybe it's cold and you want to use it a different way, you can use that and you can go reverse. And so that's what I'm doing right here, just showing you guys that it will go in reverse. I have a couple of these fans, and it's nice that you're able to, you know, reverse these different areas in different ways. Again, you know, kind of help cooler air get out of there and that kind of stuff as well. So it will go reverse right here. You can see, which is really nice, but that's a really cool option and function on that one. This was sent to me to review, so I really was excited about trying this out and seeing how it worked out here. And I also like this an outdoor fan, so you can use it outside and use it, you know, anywhere, under a gazebo, on the porch, on a deck, all different functions and options like that. So you can see right there, it will go in reverse, and it goes pretty fast. And so that's really nice as well for me. When you have one of these, it goes really fast. It's super easy. But everything's run on the remote, and it works really well right there. And it's not hard to set up, which is nice. So you can put it all up there, you know, 30 minutes, you can have it set up and running, which is really cool. But overall, I think this is a great fan. If you're in the market for an outdoor fan or indoor fan for your shop, this is a great one to check out. I love all the features of it. Super easy to use. If you're interested, I will have a link down below. You can check it out down there. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos.